Play golf. Get the voucher.
Yep.
Right, golf time. Play where it lies. I don't know. I think we're gonna do that again. There we go. Waiting for you then.
Don't look down.
Oh, that was disappointing. Ooh.
Pro. Oh, so close.
I'm gonna go.
Is it? Oh. Oh, Rita. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, wow. Yeah. Right then. It's a good one for Jake. Jake likes a good whack. Really? Butter? Who's next? Is that Eloise? Ugland.
Opened in 1999.
Oh.
2009. Hard way.
Yeah, I guess it's dark forest now, isn't it? It's not Ugland.
Good shot, that dude.
Oh.
What'd you get, guys?
Jewel.
Your
What did you
score.
get?
What was your score in the last one?
Yeah.
3. No, because when you're married, you go 6 1. 1 second. It's pretty well for going round.
Where have you gone, Eloise? You've vanished.
Whose pink ball's that? Whose pink ball's that? That's the smoke's fault.
Yeah, it's the smoke's fault. Couldn't see what I was doing. Where are we now? Nemesis. Hole 10, part 2. There's a part 2, Jake. Come on then. Oh no! Where's it gone? They're in the tunnel. Searching for some little monsters.
We're hiding from the nemesis.
Hiding from the nemesis, but you're hiding in his belly?
No, we're
Well,
You
now
are,
it's
you're
your
under
turn.
the monster.
Yeah, we're hiding. The nemesis!
Oh,
Still over.
no! Big hit, Jake. Oh, Jake.
It's wet. I went to Oh!
That go in?
Hole in one.
No way!
It actually did go in.
Watch out, Jack.
Hole in one.
There's a jump.
Ooh.
Oh.
Ooh.
You could do a jump on the chicken and go through it.
I think
Harder.
even chicken you'd just
Harder.
miss.
Yeah.
You'd best to try and make the jump, I think.
Yeah. Get a bit of power in.
Move out the way then, Jake.
Flying spin.
Scooch.
Daddy's ball is like perfect for this. Oh!
No way.
Boom, baby.
On a roll.
Second.
It's the hex, Jake. You don't like the hex, do you? Did you get one in? It's stuck. Oh no. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. There it is. Oh, Jake's coming down the path. He's just skipping it all together. Where next? Next hole.
The tree quest.
Tree quest. We're gonna have a look.
Treetop quest, I mean. Treetop quest.
Through the woods.
You up?
Through the woods. I like it, and there's a squirrel climbing.
No.
Oh, where'd you go? Oh, oh, not bad that, Jake.
Thank you.
Stop it.
Wow.
It's a bit spooky in there. She's a coming. Sort of. What are you doing?
Oh!
Oh, well done, Jake.
Just dropped in there.
Yeah.
Camera.
Happy days.
I don't like happy.
Why is there a speed camera on it?
It's just,
It'd be the next one. Oh. Oh.
oh!
Oh. So close. Last hole.
I've been school.
Yeah?
Gotta go round the roundabout and through the car wash.
Do you? It's a big one. Oh, I see. Right then.
Oh.
Remember, no bumping, and make sure you stop at the junctions.
Can I go?
Whoop.
No, Mummy, I'll go. Not again.
No, you go if you want.
I don't even want to go. I was trying to go round.
Right then, so the scores are in.
And it is in last place is
Mummy. 77.
Rubbish, wasn't it?
third place.
Eloise on 76.
In second place.
Jake on 71.
First place.
Daddy
No.
59. Boom.
This time we own you.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Yes.